Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. I am back with another skincare product which name is CosRx The Vitamin C 23 Serum. CosRx The Vitamin C 23 Serum is a vitamin C serum. CosRx The Vitamin C 23 Serum claims hypoallergenic 23% pure vitamin C antioxidant brightening booster with high performance for preventing early signs of anti-aging. Let's talk about its benefits. It fades acne scars and hyperpigmentation. Brightens dull skin. Firms and plumps skin. Diminishes fine lines and wrinkles. Let's talk about its ingredients. This serum contains pure vitamin C. Ascorbic acid helps achieve youthful glowing skin. Super vitamin E tocotrienol helps fight signs of aging and slows down skin damage. Hyaluronic acid delivers rich moisture deep into skin and helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. The most important thing about this serum is that this serum consists of highly concentrated pure vitamin C ascorbic acid. A patch test on the body is recommended before using on the face. Store in the fridge to prevent oxidation. Let's talk about its packaging. It is available in 20 ml glass dropper bottle. The dropper comes separately packed. This highly concentrated pure vitamin C formula is contained in a specialized bottle that allows it to expel gas whilst blocking the inward flow of oxygen. There was a slight popping sound and a whiff of corned beef scent once it opened. It must be stored in the fridge once open and only has a 2-month period after open. Means you have to finish it within 2 months. Scent. This serum smelled like hot dog water. After putting it on face, the smell fades rapidly, so it's not that bad. How to use: shake 1 to 2 times before use and apply 2 to 3 drops once or twice daily. For daytime wear, follow up with SPF 30+ sunscreen. Can be applied under the eye area, avoid direct eye contact. Store in fridge to prevent oxidation. In short, this is a powerful vitamin C product which really works to leave the skin looking clear and bright. Though the smell of it is not good one, but very effectively brightens all the dark spots and post-acne and does not dry the skin or clog the pores. The formula is not astringent, it is rather oily, but my skin loves it. You must keep the dropper in the dark, cool cabinet or it'll oxidize quickly. Thanks for watching.